Hello there, Steve Snyder here, and I'm at Thunder Harbor, Michigan Air Show near the Willow Run Airport, and it's an unusual air show. After COVID, they decided to have a drive-in air show. So now all these cars have been lined up. They just started letting them in, and so you can see them coming in down there. So they said they're totally sold out. I'm not sure. I gotta ask how many cars they get in here, but they say they have more people than ever. So they come around here, and then they make a turn, then they drive up to the, whoops, wrong way, flight line. You can see them up there parking. So it's very unusual. I've only been to this once before in 2019, right before COVID. And that year they had, I think it was 12 Corsairs flying. This year they have at least 6 Avengers torpedo bombers. But the Blue Angels are here. Lots of static aircraft, so it's a great air show. It's a 3-day show. It runs Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I'm here signing copies of my book, Shot Down, that museum gift store sells. Here you get a little better look at the, it's a huge area. There's some of the static planes down there. Really see my tent. It's over there where I am with the gift store. These are all the vendors. They have rides here too. C-47, B-25. There you see the tower at the Willow Run Airport. And they made B-24 heavy bombers. Ford assembly plant here. They can put out one a day. Pretty amazing. So I thought you might like to see that. It's very unusual. So take care. God bless. Keep them flying.